So we've got some Gosanki, 2 plaques, koi care kit, some plaques, a kahaku mug, Tancho shower. Is £100 off voucher. Hey guys, Jamie here, keeping it koi. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. So today I'm somewhere different again. I keep mentioning it, so I thought while I'm down here, I've just finished digging for the day, I will give you a quick tour of my allotment to show you what I'm actually up to down here all the time. So as you can see behind me, this is my polytunnel. Grow all my bonsai seeds and fruit and veg seeds and start everything off in there. In there at the minute is it's just a net, but it's an absolute jungle. I've only had this allotment for about a year, took it over, and when I took it over it was derelict. Brambles overgrown everywhere. I don't think it had been looked after for a good couple of years. I think the owner got a bit ill and then eventually passed away, and wasn't able to look after it. So when I first took over this allotment, it all looked like that, which are all brambles and all sorts. So I've put the net over the top of that section for now to try and keep all the seeds in. I added that net not long ago, but what I have been up to is an awful lot. You all may have seen my shorts recently of me new trommel. So I think that giant mound of dirt and that huge wheelbarrow full of rubbish would beg to differ. And here it is from the other side. So, does it work? What do you think? Shall we have a look? Oh, it looks like it's working to me. Let's chuck some soil on it. The soil's going round. Soil's going round. Number one. Soil's going round. I would say that's a complete success. That I made works an absolute treat. Let me spin you around. So yeah, me trommel on me videos. It's jammed in with the bins at the moment, but you stick your drill on that edge there, sitting on there. I've just got to devise a proper clamp to keep it clamped, so I can keep it at a set and steady speed, because it'd make things a lot quicker if I could keep the drill going at a steady speed. I think the short I did, it kept going fast, slow, but it does work beautifully. A couple of tweaks that I want to make to it to make it even better, but shovel your soil in there, that spins round, and you end up digging a big hole all round there and sieving a lovely pile of very fine dirt. And all the rubbish that I got out of there, you can see the ground used to look like that, all the dead bits of brambles and everything, but this area I've only just cleared, and I've chucked all them in the rubbish pile because we're not allowed to have a bonfire here until October on this allotment. So all my rubbish is there ready to burn from that section. This is just the newest plot or newest area that I've cleared. Now, I did clear all of this side when I first took over the allotment, but it's getting a bit weedy again now. We've got some yellow courgettes or Indian cucumbers, whatever you want to call them, growing in that one. I've got me tomatoes, or some tomatoes, in this one. They look like they need a bit of a water, so I will water them before I go home. In here I've got 2 varieties of things. I've got normal cucumbers and courgettes, I think. Oh yeah, there's a courgette just down there. Can you see that in there? Yeah, so got them in there. Got a few more tomatoes. I think I grew way too many tomatoes this year. I mean, you've all seen how many I've got at home, but a few more tomatoes in here. And then on this section I've got me carrots and my beetroot. In this section I got more tomatoes, and they were my French beans, but they're pretty much done for the year now. Got a few more little teeny tiny ones growing at the top here. But yeah, we've had hundreds of French beans. All the lettuces are finally done with. And I turn round, these are my avocados on this side. This side has become a bit of a jungle again because I haven't been able to get into weed it because of this field of pumpkins, marrows, courgettes, and there is one other species growing in there. Oh, trombone, what's it? It's the curly-whirly ones. Yeah, there's a few growing down here. I call them trombones, but I think they're like trombicina or something like that. But yeah, these ones. And then got some little pumpkins growing. Oh, there's a big one, look. Oh no, that's not a pumpkin. What's that? Oh, I can't remember. I've planted so much in there, but yeah, I haven't been able to get in there to weed because of obviously all this is growing. But yeah, if I come around this side, so I've said avocados, didn't I? Yeah. So I've got the avocados in there. Just weeded this section a bit today as well. Pulled all this out, ready to plant some winter vegetables. I've got a few more tomatoes on the edge of all them, but it looks like they've been a bit destroyed by the climbing of the marrows and everything else. And then lastly, although it's still got a few more tomato plants and a few left over of the seeded lettuces that have all gone to seed, this is my bonsai growing out box, and that's what I'm using it for. Got all sorts growing in there at the minute, not many because I've only just made it and only just planted them this year, but we've got some oak, some hazel, a couple of sycamores there and there and there, got another oak here, got an ash, another sycamore there, conker tree or horse chestnut, and then another sycamore there. I did have, but it seems to have gone. Oh no, there it is, it's hiding under one of the tomato leaves. Little buxus. And then lastly, right under the tomato leaves, if I can reach it, because they like a bit of shade sometimes, is a little Japanese black pine. So I've planted them in here, and the idea is the kind of soil mix that I've made in here should help the roots and get them to grow a lot quicker and thicker. Now you've seen a lot of my oaks around the garden. This one is the same age as the ones in the little bonsai pots, but look how thick, get you in there, look how thick that trunk is compared to the ones in my pots. And that's just from a year of growing in the soil. So yeah, that bathtub needs a damn good weed, but that's me strawberry bathtub. Got to make use of these things. As I say, that's me growing polytunnel. It's pretty much empty at the minute. And then I've just chucked a load of weed killer down on all these brambles in the old polytunnel. The door should be open, yeah, as you can see there. And they're all dying a good one. So once they're all dead, they'll get ripped up, thrown in my bonfire pile that's over here. Got a fair bit of carpet trying to keep the weeds down, ready so I can rotivate it and get it dug over. But yeah, my pile's getting bigger, but it's not as big as my neighbour's pile ready for October. So yeah, that's my little allotment. I've only got a half plot because I don't have all day every day, but the free time I do get, I love gardening, as you can probably tell by my garden. But because of all the builds and everything going on at the minute, my garden is a bit chock-a-block. So yeah, that's all the rubbish that I pulled out from the trommel the other day. Made a nice little pile down there, but I haven't really got anywhere else on this allotment. I can put another pile, and there's an awful lot more digging to be done on here, so we will see. But yeah, I'm going to get the fruit and veg watered, and then I will snap back to you all at home. So yeah guys, that's the allotment. That's what I do up there, obviously growing some of my bonsais and fruit and veg and a few other bits and bats that I get up to. Obviously the trommel soil sieve works an absolute treat, managed to get loads done. So yeah, all in all, really good. You may notice I'm wearing another new t-shirt with the old logo on it. Another one of my birthday presents from the missus. And yeah, really like this one. It's unfortunately she ordered a large in this one, so it is a bit big for me, but really like this one. It's an all-round wrap-around t-shirt. Love it. Another thing that she's got me for on the rainy days when we go to the koi shows is the old Keeping It Koi wind cheater rainproof jacket. So yeah, I've been royally spoiled this year, and it's not even my birthday yet for another 2 weeks. Really chuffed with that. Apparently there's one more thing to come as well. So I don't know what else there is. For some reason they've all been delivered completely separately, even though they're all ordered at the same time, but I guess it is what it is, isn't it? But anyway, as the title of this video suggests, I'm talking the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, I've been umming and ahhing for ages because I'm getting really close now, about 70 odd subs, 69, something like that, subs away from hitting the magical 2,000 subscribers. So I've been umming and ahhing. The last two giveaways I did, I've done a tub of my go-to koi food, which is the aqua sauce. All seasons with garlic, and the fish absolutely love it, and that's what I've done for my last 2 subscriber giveaways. This time I wanted to try and do something different, and I didn't know what to do. So what I've decided is, well, I haven't decided, I was offered. JS Koi, they have been kind enough to offer me some goodies to give away to you guys for doing a wicked video on their shower, how to set up a JS Koi shower. They have sent me a big old box full of goodies. I'll show you some of them. Don't want to make this video too long, but loads of goodies in there. Plus, what I've decided to do, the mug that the missus has ordered me for my birthday, I've decided that I'm going to give away as well to one of you lucky subscribers. So I haven't yet worked out whether I'm going to do a sort of a first prize, second prize and third prize, because there is quite a few goodies down here, or whether I'm just going to do a big old bundle for the one winner. Let me know in the comments what you guys would prefer. So let's have a look first. What we've got is we have some coasters. Now, if I get a bit closer you might be able to see them. They're all still in their wrapper. I'm not going to unwrap them. But yeah, so we've got some Gosanki. We have some tanchos. We have some ogons, and we have a little square plaque. I don't think that's a coaster, I think that's a plaque to put up on the side of your pond. And I'm guessing that is Japanese for autumn, because it says autumn at the top. So there's those ones. Oh, hang on. And there's wisdom. So 2 plaques. They'll probably go out together because they're side by side, however I do it. We've got some little baggies. We've got some koi care kits. There's nothing in them, they are just bags, but ideal little bags to keep all your koi medications in for your topical treatments and whatnot. We have some plaques. Lovely little plaques. Similar to the ones I've got on my pond, just better quality as well. Solid, they're quite thick, these plaques. But yeah, so there's them as well. And to top it off, we have some mugs. We have a Kahaku mug. And we have, don't drop it, definitely don't drop it. We have Tancho shower. Got more bits down here. Let me check my notebook. Yeah, a few more goodies in there, but for the massive goodie giveaway, I've got a blue bit of paper here. Now this blue bit of paper, as I say, these are all goodies from JS Koi. They've sent me to give out to you guys. Let me tilt you up a bit. There we go. But yeah, this is £100 off voucher. Now, there is a couple of little terms and conditions, but £100 off is an absolutely fantastic gesture for them to give out to one lucky winner. So, the £100 off voucher is for any 3-tier Bakki shower or higher. I did ask that question, what if someone wanted a 4-tier shower, but no, any 3-tier shower or higher, doesn't matter about width. He didn't say any conditions about the width of shower, so any 3-tier shower plus media, and you get £100 off. Can't grumble at that, can we? But he's not expensive anyway, compared to other prices that I looked at on eBay and for other showers. That shower there was an absolute bargain. Absolute bargain. Now, it does have some of their media in it. I did get it via somebody else, but it is the media that they supply, and that's in the bottom tier and a little bit that was left over in the second tier, and then the rest is all full of Biohome Ultimate, Biohome Ultra, and then filled up with alpha grog to the top. What an absolutely fantastic set of prizes. As I say, I'm going to throw in my mug as well, just to top it off. Yeah, as soon as we hit the 2,000 subscribers, that is what we're going to be giving away. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification as well, and that will then alert you to when the 2,000 subscriber giveaway is going to happen. But yeah, also guys, just a quick heads up for those of you that are still here and still watching, don't forget DT's live tonight. He's asked if I would be a guest on there again, so I'm going to be jumping on live. So if you have any questions you want to ask me live, then please feel free and go and check out DT Koi's live and come and join in, have a chat, see what we're up to. And to everyone that was at the Newark Koi show today, I hope you had a fantastic time. For those of you that are going tomorrow, I'll see you there. So make sure you come over and say hi. I'm now going to take this shirt off because I don't want to get it dirty, do a few more bits on the new pond, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get some more footage of whatever I'm doing over there for another video. And on that note guys, if you've enjoyed the video, give the video a like and let me know what you thought of this video down in the comments. And if you'd like to support me in the things that I do on this channel, hit the thanks button down below. And if you'd like to stay up to date on all the things that I do, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. So thanks all for watching, and we will catch you all on the next one.